you have been posting videos and your views are stuck in 500 views, or maybe less than 500 views, 400 views, or less than 400 views after putting a lot of work to create content, and at the end of the day you are stuck, it's possible that you might have been doing something wrong, which is what I'm going to share with you in this video. Here are mistakes you might be doing that is not giving you views. Now in this video I'm going to share with you those mistakes that you don't even know that are affecting your views or can affect your videos. I'm going to share with you those mistakes and how to correct them immediately. If you feel this video is beautiful for you to watch, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe. Now let's dive straight to the video. If you have been posting videos and you are not getting views, number one thing is algorithm has not find your right audience to push your video to. After a lot of work creating videos as a new creator, especially as a new creator, you open your channel new and you want to start posting content, right? And you go ahead and post a video, and at the end of the day you're not getting views. Possible is because the algorithm has not find your right audience yet, and what you need to do is for you to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard to find out why that particular video did not perform well. So if you know you don't have YouTube Studio app, please go ahead and download it, because that is where you can actually monitor your video and you will know if that video was clickable or not. To check from your YouTube Studio dashboard, why did they click away? Why is this video not performing? Why is this video not getting views? And you check out, you find out why they click away from that video, because this is how the algorithm works. If you post your video, the job for the algorithm is for them to push that video out there, right, to your right audience. And once they start pushing that video and they see that nobody is clicking on that video to watch, they won't push that video again, because YouTube don't know the quality of that video, don't really know about that video. It's just how your audience resonates with your video, the impression of that video that will make YouTube to either push the video forward or not. It's possible that the reason why that particular video did not get views, after checking your YouTube Studio, try to check your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is really optimized, work on your thumbnail, and also optimize your title and also your description. These are the important things for you to check as a new creator. If you post your videos and you are not getting views, check where those mistakes are coming from. Secondly, the reason why you are not getting views whenever you post your video, you are not actively engaging with your viewers. Yes, a lot of us, especially new creators, don't engage with your viewers, and you all know that YouTube loves engagement a lot, because if you don't go to your comment section, because some of your viewers will drop questions, relatable questions, and some of you will not reply them. So if you did not go to reply them, YouTube will just feel like there is no engagement in that video, and they will not find it any necessary for them to continue to push that video out there. Check unnecessary comments and attend to unnecessary comments actively for YouTube to know that yes, this particular video is really getting engagement. The more they engage to the video, the more the algorithm push that video out there to more people. You understand? Third on our list is new channels prioritizing quantity over quality. Now, actually for new channels, this is what really happens. If you know that you just open your channel and you want to start creating content, after posting your video, the work for the algorithm is to push your content to your right audience, right? And as of that time, the algorithm is still finding your right audience. So I won't advise you to start posting every day or every minute. No, because why? You've not gathered your audience yet. So if you are just posting every day, who will come and watch those videos? You understand? So instead of you to be posting videos every day without people coming to watch, why not take that time and create quality videos that is of value, with great thumbnails and good description and good title, so that you also get good audience, you also get right audience that love your content. Because once you get subscribers that love your content, that is a good to go, right? Once you've gotten subscribers that genuinely love your content, that is when you start from, maybe you start posting from 2 days in a week or 3 times in a week. You start increasing it to 5 days in a week. Just depends on how you really want it. So the best thing for you to do is for you to take your time, all the energy you take to be putting out video every day as a new content creator. Take that time to optimize your thumbnail, your title, and your description, and quality video. Now, the fourth on our list, if you are not getting views after posting your video, the age of your channel. Yes, a lot of us, especially new YouTubers, they will just open channel immediately and just start creating content and start uploading videos. No, because reasons why it's not good for you to just open content and start posting it and start posting videos immediately, because YouTube has not studied that particular channel well to know your right audience, or to know if this channel is being operated by a human being or a bot. So that is why I will advise you, immediately after you open your channel, give it some times or some months before you start uploading videos, so that it will make YouTube know that, okay, this particular channel is being operated by human being. If possible, use that account before you start creating content. Use that account. Make sure you create a channel history. Make sure you watch other people's videos, comment and like other people's videos, engage with other people's videos. Make use of that channel for YouTube to know that this particular channel is being operated by a human being and not a bot. Because I've actually tried it on one of my channel. I opened that channel new, right, and I started uploading immediately. Believe me, that channel did not even do well. It did not even perform well. Because why? YouTube has not even know if it is human being that is operating that channel yet. They will think maybe it's bot. And again, even if you want to monetize channel history, if you don't have channel history, you are not going to be monetized. You can go and make your research now. Yes, you can go and make your research. Channel history is very important. So you have to make sure you use your account, watch other creators' videos, comment and engage in the videos for you to create channel history. So with all these tips I've listed, if you know that you are not doing any of this right, just go ahead and start implementing all of these on your channel. And believe me, after doing this, you're going to see great results. You're going to see how your channel is going to grow massively, right? So if you feel this video was helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share this video so it will get to a whole lot of people that don't get to know about these particular tips. Subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful family. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, guys. See you on our next one. Bye.